Hey, good morning. It's Ron. I'm down here at the Obed Wild and Scenic River today, and I brought along my friend Dewey from Kentucky, and I'll put a link to his channel in the description of the video. But we've come to the Upper Melton Mill Branch Falls, and we had a lot of rain last weekend. Oh wow, the sun! Look at the sun. I got to stop, take a picture. So today I only brought one camera with me, and I'm using the Nikon Z50 Mark II for all my photography today with only one lens. I'm using the 16-50 f2.8 lens, and I decided to constrain myself to just that one body and one lens to really put the Z50 Mark II through its paces. So far I'm very pleased with the photograph or two that I've been able to produce of this waterfall, and let me show you a couple of those images right now. I've done a couple vertical shots, and the sun came out just for a split second and lit the top of this waterfall, and then I did a couple horizontal shots, and one of those horizontal shots is a very long exposure, 15 seconds. So let me show you those three images right now in the video. As you can see, Dewey has become acclimated to Tennessee waterfalls. Okay, I brought him up here to the Upper Melton Mill Branch Falls. It's a little bit of a hike, not in lengthwise, but a little bit. Well, it's not flat ground. Let's put it that way. You do have to clamber through things, and I'll probably try to get some video footage on the way back to kind of show you what I'm talking about. But anyway, so far he's really impressed with Tennessee. He's from Kentucky. He said he doesn't have anything like this in Kentucky. So Dewey reached out to me probably about 3 or 4 months ago, and was wanting to come down and experience some of the terrain and the nature, and I don't even know what to say, the landscape. Okay, he wanted to experience some of the Tennessee landscape, and asked me if I would meet up with him and show him around. So a couple weeks ago, he contacted me, said, hey, I'm available March 5th or 6th, what works, or March 4th or 5th, what works for you? So I said, yeah, we'll do it on Thursday. So he drove down yesterday. I think he spent a little time in the Smoky Mountains before he came here. Spent the night in Crossville, and I picked him up at his motel this morning, and we came up to do a sunrise shoot at the Lily Bluff Overlook, and it was pretty nice. It wasn't spectacular. Let me show you that image now in the video. So I have a whole day, well, most of the morning and into the afternoon. I'm not too sure what time he wants to leave to go home. I think it's about a 5-hour drive for him. But we have several stops to make. This was the first stop I had in mind. I'm going to try to get him to at least 3 waterfalls before I take him back to his vehicle at his motel. That way he gets a pretty full day of photography in, and he comes away with some really good images. Like I said, don't forget to check in the description of the video. I'll put a link to his channel in there. Go over, subscribe to his channel, and keep up with Dewey's Photography Adventures. I think that's the name of his channel, Dewey's Photography Adventures. Okay, super nice guy, super nice. We left the Upper Falls. The sun was kind of coming in on us up there, so we got done taking our photographs, and I actually seen a composition that I'd never, I gotta sit down here for a minute. I'd actually seen a composition that I'd never seen before at that waterfall, and I put Dewey onto it, and let me show you that image in the video right now. Now I had to lend Dewey my tripod because his ball head, his 3-legged ball head, the screw that came out of it, and we couldn't get it back in, and that's the part that holds the ball head together. Fortunately, he does have another tripod, and it's a good thing that I said, put your other tripod in my truck. So he brought 2 tripods. It's a good thing. Otherwise, we're down here at the waterfall right now, and I've left my tripod here for him to use. Let me show you what we're looking at right now. This here is the Lower Melton Mill Branch Falls. And in my humble opinion today, this looks like just about perfect flow for some long exposure photography. We are deep enough in the gorge now where the sun is not going to bother us, so we can take our time. There's Dewey over there with his OM camera. Been getting an education today on Micro Four Thirds. So I'm going to get the Nikon Z50 Mark II out and kind of hand hold it and look for some compositions here and see what I can find. Huh?
Almost anything you try to focus on will
Dewey likes this place. He said it looks nice. I always love bringing people to a new spot like this they've never been to before and seeing their amazement of what we actually have to offer here in East Tennessee. We are going to start the hike out of here, and I am hand holding my action camera because I wanted to kind of give you a POV of the hike out, and I'm going to try to hold it by hand and kind of give you an example of how rugged it is to get down into some of these places. I'm going to turn it around in just a minute right here so you can see. We're climbing up out of this waterfall that was behind me. You see Dewey down there. And I want to wait on him because he needs to watch me to see which way I'm stepping. He's down there recording some video. He was telling me about substitute teaching. We're filming each other now. He's telling me about substitute teaching. Since he retired, he has taken up substitute teaching a couple days a week, which I find pretty cool. Anyways, we are going to we're going to hike out of here, try to make it back to the truck because we got a couple more stops to make. Kind of showing you here. We got to climb all the way back up this way. We came down this way, and there's trees down and what have you to hold on to. Might have to change hands.
Yeah, it's caught on the back of the tripod, but it'll be all right. Go.
I'm gonna have to grab a hold of a tree. You can see Dewey coming up behind me. Just wanted to give you a taste of what it's like. We're going all the way up there. I'm using my Action 5 Pro instead of the Pocket 3. He's doing the same thing I'm doing. He's holding his camera, trying to record his hike out. Man, we're gonna make our way up through this. All right. I think I'm gonna let Dewey go first. That way I can film him. I'm gonna let you go ahead of me.
Oh, you're gonna let me go ahead?
That way I can film you.
You want to film the old man falling down?
Yeah. You can go through there if you want to climb, or you can go back underneath that like you did.
Just got to go low. Then we're going up.
We're just going to stay to the right side of this rock there.
Yeah.
But you should be okay.
I'll be fine. If I can get through here.
Yeah. Just bend down. You'll be all right. A little bit more. All right. You're through.
All right.
Okay. He got through the squeeze right here, the trees. Might want to stay to your right a little bit. There you go. Stay to your right. Yeah, do that. In case you fall, I got this on film for insurance purposes. I'm going to go this way. Dewey's.
Well, I ain't gonna take that.
Dewey's.
You look bad. Don't fall down.
Oh, look it. He just said that.
If you do, I got it on camera.
Yeah, that way you can tell my wife how I died. She has no clue. My wife has no clue what I do out here. Okay. Well, she may, but she never says nothing.
Yeah.
You know.
I don't know if I want to throw this to mine. I'm not sure she would.
Oh, she'll be okay.
You think I'm crazy.
You can go home and tell her how crazy Ron was. See, them guys down in Tennessee, they're like damn billy goats down there. Now, straight ahead.
I'll let you lead the way.
Oh.
You lead the way.
Okay. We're back, almost back on the trail. Yeah. It's not very far from the truck out here.
Got it. Now we're back to the trail.
Yeah, thank God.
All right, so this is the trail that goes back up to where we were earlier, right?
We're good. No. Oh, yeah. That
goes back up to the cliff up there.
it will. It will eventually. Yeah. This goes back to the bridge.
Right.
Yeah, he was talking about the bluff we were on this morning, the Lily Bluff, to do our sunrise. Anyways, I can turn this off now. This is kind of uneventful. So guess what? This is March the 5th, all right? And I think it's supposed to be 73 or 74 degrees today. Holy cow, can you believe that? Winter's not over with. Not by a long shot. I mean, we still got winter to go. Anyways, I need to put a microphone on Dewey and do some truck talking when we get back. So stay tuned for that. Truck talk.